Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram for beginners in 2024. First thing first, you wanna launch the Instagram app. After you created your own account, on the top you will see stories from people that you're currently following. As you can see, we're interacting with all the stories from people that we're currently following. If you wanna see stories from other people that you're not following, first thing you gotta click on Instagram on the top. As you can see, you can click and see the stories from following, or you can simply click the favorites. When you click the favorites, you will see stories and content from people that you didn't follow. This is very interesting. This is just people that you saw recently and you like and you add as a favorites, but you didn't necessarily follow them. Let's start from the bottom. When you click on the first icon on the lower left corner, which is the house, you will see the feed. Here you can see all the content that is published either from the people you're following or something that is recommended from Instagram algorithm. As you can see over here, we're having in between the regular creators post, we're having a sponsored content. This is why every time when you see a particular piece of video or image, you want to make sure that under the actual name of the account it says sponsored, so you will know that this is an actual ad or it's original content created by the creator. Because if you compare, every other piece of content beneath the actual name tag of the producer does not have the sponsored icon, does not simply has the sponsored icon. Next thing you want to click is the second icon, which is the magnifying glass on the lower corner. So here you will see a lot of things that are currently trending or popular on Instagram, and this is the essentially the popular list of videos, things that it's already proven to be interesting for the viewers, but also something in some sense related to your following, to the people that you interact with, like their videos, like their content, or you commented previously. So it's a mix of what you like and what you could probably like according to Instagram algorithm. If you really want to create your own reels, you want to create your own post, the next icon with the plus sign next to it will be the one to use. And here you will be actually able to create whatever content you like to, as long as you have the right settings. As you can see on the bottom right corner, you have the option to select: do you want to create a post, do you want to create a story, do you want to create a reel, do you want to go live. Again, you want to make sure that each of the setting is actually very accurate, so you will be able to essentially do everything that you want to be done. Next thing do you want to take a look is the actual feed of reels. Sometimes you can get inspiration by just watching reels. We have a ad, learn again by the sponsored tag beneath it. You will find that this is a particular ad, and you want to make sure that if you utilize a particular song, the way you actually take the song from the video itself. For example, you come on something like this, you like the song, you click underneath where the song is, right? And here you can use the audio of the song. You can click use the audio and simply either import your already pre-made video from the gallery, or you can create a brand new video and then utilize the song and the functionality. Clicking on the last icon is your actual profile. This is where everything will stay, all the analytics tools, all your information about your followers, all your recent stories, which I should have mentioned that each story is valid for 24-hour period, and then it will simply disappear. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.